We want to know how the John Humphrey Center for Peace and Human Rights has impacted you, Sheila.
It has impacted me both on a personal level and on a professional level. I am a principal with Evansdale Public Schools, and the board you see behind me is a perfect example of the effect of John Humphrey Society. It fits in very well with what our board is doing now in their 4 cornerstone values, but it has come about to the staff here and the staff at Evansdale as a result of our working with restorative practices and human rights as an aspect of children's education, which is something John Humphrey Society has brought to us.
Sheila, what is the impact that the John Humphrey Center for Peace and Human Rights has in our community?
In our community, I think that John Humphrey Society really brings the notion of human rights and the importance of relating to one another through that lens to our children at an early age and from them to our parents. For instance, at the 2 Gall Award conferences we've attended with school children, there was the discussion of human rights for people detained for terrorist activities in terms of Omar Khadr, and that really affected both our children and their parents. We had discussions about it after. Secondly, this year there was a lady who was a transgendered person that was very much it was surprising to our parents, but they were also very supportive. When they met somebody who had gone through this, they were saying, wow, that was a great experience for our children and for us. So I see a great experience.
Sheila, do you think it's important to support John Humphrey Center for Peace and Human Rights, and why?
I absolutely think it's important to support this organization because without them, we would not be getting this early intervention into our schools. Also, I think we would not be getting as much societal awareness. I know that they work with Chris Wells at the university, who is somebody who works in LGBTQ area, and that's very important to us. I also see a lot of support for Aboriginal issues, and I see a ton of support for just the understanding what human rights really are, which I think can be taken for granted because we have fortune in, by and large, having our rights respected here. But we need to make sure that that's thoroughly explored and extended to everybody, and I think that is what John Humphrey Society does for us.
Thank you so much, Sheila.